Hi friends, welcome back to Keep It Up with Miss Electra. So I know you haven't seen me for a very long time. So yeah, I took a little break and then COVID and then some family issues. So yeah, but I'm back. I'm always decorating anyway, no matter what is happening in my life, but I haven't posted. But today I'm going to show you how I decorated my entryway. Well, I have a piano, but if you have a table, you could use the same method, like an entryway table. So I just love how it turned out. It's antique and mixed a little with, I want to say, European farmhouse, something like that. So it's not like really farmhouse, but it's kind of like, I don't know, it's antique mixed with, I don't even know what I want to call it, but I think it looks really good, and I think you guys are gonna love it. Antiques are like my favorite, you know that, and that's the kind of where I'm really heading for, like just buying antiques, of course, antique mirrors and antique stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it around and just give you a little inspiration, what I did and how I put everything together. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. So you can incorporate this really anywhere you want, on your mantle, on an entryway table, but I have a piano in my entryway, so I decorated the piano on top. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay guys, so here it is. I love it. And I just want to show you, I really am looking for an entryway table, but I haven't found one, so I'm just using this piano, but I really want to get rid of this piano. So anyway, this is what I did. I think it looks perfect. And I wanted it to be a little like cluttered looking. So, all right. And so I'm using the cane, which, you know, cane can be modern and it can be, you know, with antiques. Because really cane was used back in the day. But yeah, so love these candle holders. These birds, I've had them. So then I picked this in Hobby Lobby, this picture, which kind of gave me like a European vibe. You know, the painting. So that's why I said European, because of that picture kind of. And the bust. All right, so then, you know, obviously it's a lot of blue and white. I love to decorate with blue and white. And then that's a little birdie. And then these are the ears. And then I put like kind of like the focal point with the fern, and then another sphere. That one's bigger than those two other ones. And then I just love this bust. So I think that kind of like puts everything together. You know, that kind of like vibe. What I'm saying, kind of like a European vibe. All right, and then this picture frame, which I have to put a picture of my 3 kids, but we'll just go with it right now. So yeah, oh, and then I got this antique mirror. So I wanna give you guys like, a close look of the mirror. It's really nice. Let me just move this if you can see. That's the bottom. It's so pretty. I only got this mirror for $25. Yeah, so I ran and got it. So I think the antique mirror looks really pretty with everything that I put on this table. This is really nice for spring. What do you guys think with the plants, right? And then I put this on the side of the piano. So as you can see, I'm going with a blue and white vibe. So here you have it, guys. Let me know if you love it. And I'm gonna look out for an entry table, but love it. All right, so, and most of these things are from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, I believe. Well, I'll let you guys know. I'll tell you what is what. Okay, these candle holders are Hobby Lobby. These candlesticks are from, I've had them many years, 15 years. Picture from Hobby Lobby. I believe this little birdie is from Hobby Lobby. These books are antiques. I believe these little spheres are from Michael's. So everything that I'm showing for Michael's right now are new. They're in store. Then this one is from, this planter is Target. This one I believe is Hobby Lobby. Michael's the bust. Michael is this really beautiful frame. And the mirror is in antique. All right, so, oh, and okay, and this planter is, I think, from Target. And then this, I believe, maybe is from Home Goods. And then this old looking rake. This rake is from a farm. So, you know, I go get plants and it's a farm. And they have these rakes there. So I just love how the rake looks with everything. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you guys love everything I showed you. Oh, and this top is from Target. If anyone's interested, I know they're gonna ask me, where's the top from? This one is from Target, so it's new, it's in store. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you did like it, and let me know if you like how I put everything together. I hope I inspired you guys for spring. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.